So in the last video, we discussed how to get only columns like this. Now let's see, here we want to get only rows. I want to have only last rows, right? Last video we saw how to get last columns. Here we want only last rows from each dimension, right? We want this only, right? This. Only we want to have these rows, last rows, right? So let's see how to get it, right? Now we want rows from each of these element, these zeroth element, one element, and two element, right? So that's why I will say T1 of all of these element, right? All of these, right? I want see, because this last row is from each of these 2D elements, this one, and this one. That's why all we are going in all these 2D elements. We are going in all. That's why starting and ending we need not mention. We are needing all. Now inside the second dimension, this shape is 3 by 3 by 3, right? This one. So from here we want all. That's why no, we have not mentioned anything here. So this T1 of, now inside the second dimension, what I want, this is zeroth element, first element, second, zeroth, first, second. I want only two, right? Only two, starting from 2 to end. But in fact 2 is the end, but we want to start at 2 and go till end. So end I will not mention because there is no this 2 itself is the last element, right? So this will give us only 2, right? And inside this third dimension, what do you, not or third axis, this one, what I want, this is zeroth, 1 2, zeroth, 1 2. I want all, no, I want all. I want all, so I'll mention all are required from here. All are required from this, right? So that's it. So this will give us the last rows only, last rows only. So let's check it out, right? So T1 of colon 2 and colon. So let's run it. So you see guys, we got only the last elements here. If you see, we got this last row, this one we got here, right? And 16 17 18, 16 17 18, 25 26 27, and shape is 3 0 1 and 2. And inside this 3 I have only one element because this is the zeroth element, only one, no, this is the only one, this is the only one, that's why this is 1. And inside this, inside each of this I have 3 elements, this one, and this one, right? So that's how we can get the slices. So now I think you can do any permutation combination on this, and once you have this basic understanding, like just need to mention in each dimension where you want to start and where you want to end, right? No matter how many dimensions you have, you may have 10 dimensions, right? But inside this 10 you should always mention starting point, ending point, starting point and ending point, starting point and ending point. That's it, right? You will get any slice, right?